Every time a jet takes off, thousands of parts move in perfect sync. But what really happens inside that engine? In the next few moments, you're about to see how air turns into pure thrust. This is the first stage of a jet engine, the intake. It pulls massive amounts of air inside to begin the entire process. As the aircraft moves forward, air rushes into the engine. Even at standstill, the spinning fan actively pulls air inward. These massive fan blades are designed to pull in enormous volumes of air every second. The faster they spin, the more air flows into the engine. When the aircraft gains speed, even more air is forced into the intake. This improves engine efficiency.
At high speeds, the intake must control and smooth the airflow before it enters the engine.
The intake shape is carefully designed to guide the air smoothly inward. Now the air enters the compressor, where it gets squeezed tighter and tighter. Each stage compresses the air more than the last. As the air is compressed, its pressure and temperature rise dramatically. What entered as loose air is now highly pressurized and compact. The compressor is powered by a shaft connected to the turbine at the back. By the end of this stage, the air is highly compressed and ready for combustion. Now fuel is injected directly into the highly compressed air.
A powerful spark adds ignites your mixture.
This creates a powerful, controlled explosion. The temperature now rises to over 1,500 degrees Celsius. The expanding gases now rush toward the turbine. This process happens continuously while the engine is running. These hot gases now hit the turbine blades. The turbine is connected to a shaft that powers the compressor at the front. The turbine is connected to a shaft that powers the compressor at the front. The remaining gases accelerate out through the exhaust. This high-speed exhaust creates thrust. And that's how a jet engine turns air and fuel into pure forward power. And that's how a jet engine transforms air and fuel into unstoppable forward power. If you enjoyed this breakdown of how a jet engine works, make sure to like the video, share it with someone curious about aviation, and subscribe for more deep engineering explainers. I'll see you in the next one.